Hello, my beautiful friends. Taking a late lunch break today because I do a lot of work with the West Coast and 9 a.m. meetings for them or 12 noon meetings for me. So taking my lunch break a little bit late, but I got a package in the mail. This is from Etsy. So this is not a subscription box. I will link it below. This is a seller I've never dealt with before, but I wanted a little spa kit for myself to celebrate the energy of the solar eclipse. So the weather's gone crazy, so why not take a bath? So the box came in a mailer, and it says handmade with love, and it smells absolutely delightful. And I could pick choices and stuff. It's going to require scissors. I actually have a scissors. Look, Hestia, there's just scissors right by my laptop. So, I wouldn't say I'm the girliest of girls. You know, I like pink. It's my favorite color, but a mauve, technically. But I was a tomboy growing up, so I never wore, like, frilly dresses or anything like that. I'm much more of a, hiking boots. The shoes I own, like, one of them's a dress pair of shoes, I think, in each color for the seasons, and then the rest are hiking shoes, snowshoeing boots, things like that. But I do like to pamper myself in the tub. When I moved here, we installed a jacuzzi tub, and I am known for luxurious baths. I have it all, like, decked out. That's my bathroom up there. Julian and David use it. Dave has a mechanics. We redid the bathroom downstairs for hikers and mechanics. They share downstairs. Anyway, I digress. All right, so I could pick a candle to go with it, I think is the thing. So what's in here? Or maybe the bath bomb. I can't remember what thing was that you could pick, but... Oh, this is a bath bomb. I have no idea what scent this is. Oh, wait. Does it tell me? Justine Maree Studios. That's the name of the company. It's called a Bath Truffle. Oh, it smells so good. You sniff it. You sniff it. It's so good. Oh, love it. And then there is a bath bomb. This is purple. I think it's lavender. I think I picked lavender. Then there's a peppermint lip balm. I don't use a whole lot of lip balm, but I have been. A eucalyptus forest soy candle. See what it looks like, shall we? I don't think there's glittery stuff on it. Oh, there is. Look how beautiful that is. It's got a little pine cone in it. And leaves. Oh my god, it smells good. I just want to sniff this. I have a meeting in like 2 hours. Do you think they would think I was weird if I sniffed this or in an hour? Do you think they would think I was weird if I just sniffed this the whole time? They probably would think I was weird. What a good lunch break. Oh my goodness, look at this cute little soap. All wrapped up in prettiness. It is called, this is a lavender shea butter and clay soap. That smells good. Stuff is too pretty to use. But don't worry, I'll use it. One of these here things that you put soap in so that you can save your herbs and they don't get out. I wish I would have known that before I did it the first time because I had all that crap on my jets. And then there is... The last thing is foaming bath salts. And then it's got Epsom salt, coconut milk powder, other kind of weird stuff, and a spoon. Oh, I love bath time. This is so nice. And the name of the studio is Justine Maree Studio. There's a card in here that I cannot get out. And it has a link to, so you can print out your receipt, and I will post a link below so you can get yourself one of these magical boxes. I cannot wait to use this stuff. This is all going up in my bathroom because I like candles just all around my tub, and sometimes I have rose petals. I'm a deep romantic, and it was wasted because, Dave's not really into that romantic kind of stuff. But I am. I only need myself. So there you have it. That is, I cannot wait to use all those things. I have pipe practice tonight, so I think I'll get to use it tonight, maybe tomorrow night. But I love it. Justine Maree Studios, fabulous. I can't wait to try it, and I will post a review. I'm gonna sniff this stuff for the next half hour till my meeting starts. Anyway, I'm gonna go grab something to eat before I go in. Be well. Take care. All the best. Bye. All the best in light and love. Bye.